He was young, handsome and strong, powerful, ambitious and aggressive. He fought and won many battles. He was always on the offensive.
He became great within a short period, the emperor of a great stretch of land. Like his father, who defeated Greeks, rival kingdoms he couldn't stand.
One last tiny kingdom stood between him and ultimate glory.
The emperor of a great stretch of land. Like his father, who defeated Greeks, rival kingdoms he couldn't stand.
One last tiny kingdom stood between him and ultimate glory. On the eastern border of his empire, Kalinga controlled its own territory.
I am the fifth spoke. I represent morality, which means to maintain high morality in personal and professional life.
I am sixth spoke. I represent service, means ready to serve country and society when needed.
Action, patience and courage. I don't think that he will be able to control the situation.
Your Majesty, I think your son Ashoka is different.
Prince Ashoka, how good of you to remind me about my son Ashoka. I am sure he will effectively deal with the problem in his Takshila. Ask Ashoka to meet me.
About his childhood. Ashoka's childhood was full of ups and downs. He was very smart and fun-loving. He was good at fighting and received royal military training because he was born into a royal family. He was also excellent at hunting.
I will add more to this, that when he grew up a little, he began helping his father Bindusar in the administrative affairs. Bindusar also recognized his qualities, therefore he made Ashoka the ruler of Avanti.
जो चाहा कभी पाया नहीं,
जो पाया कभी सोचा नहीं, जो सोचा कभी मिला नहीं,
जो मिला रास आया नहीं, जो खोया वह याद आता है, पर जो पाया संभाला जाता नहीं।
क्यों अजीब सी पहेली है जिंदगी, जिसको कोई सुलझा पाता नहीं।
जीवन में कभी समझौता करना पड़े तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है,